The Mitsubishi F-1 was Japan's first domestically developed supersonic jet fighter, marking a major milestone in the country's post-war aviation industry. Designed in the 1970s by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in cooperation with Fuji and Kawasaki, the F-1 gave Japan an indigenous jet capable of defending its maritime territory during the Cold War. Development of the F-1 began in the late 1960s. Japan initially relied on American aircraft like the F-86 Sabre and F-10 for starfighter, but wanted a homegrown design tailored to its unique defense needs, especially anti-ship warfare. The F-1 was based on the earlier Mitsubishi T-2 trainer, which itself was influenced by the French Seabcat Jaguar. By adapting the T-2 into a combat aircraft, Japan produced a low-cost, reliable supersonic fighter optimized for strike missions. The F-1 first flew in 1975 and entered service with the Japan Air Self-Defense Force JASDF in 1978. It became the first Japanese-built supersonic combat jet to enter active duty. The aircraft's design emphasized maritime strike. It was equipped to carry the Japanese-built ASM-1 and ASM-2 anti-ship missiles, which were specifically developed to counter naval threats. It could also perform ground attack missions, carrying bombs and rockets while maintaining limited air-to-air capability with AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. In terms of performance, the Mitsubishi F-1 was modest compared to American or Soviet fighters of the same era. It was powered by two Rolls-Royce Turbomeca Dua turbofan engines built under license in Japan, giving it a top speed of Mach 1.6. The aircraft was about 17.9 meters long with a wingspan of 7.9 meters and had a combat radius of roughly 550 kilometers. Armament included a built-in JM61A1 Vulcan 20mm cannon, along with 4 underwing pylons and 1 centerline hardpoint. Only 77 aircraft were built, making the F-1 a relatively rare jet. While not considered a world-class fighter, it was extremely important for Japan's defense industry, proving that the nation could design, build, and operate its own supersonic military aircraft. The F-1 served from 1978 until 2006, operating primarily from bases close to Japan's coastline, where maritime patrol and anti-ship missions were most critical. It was eventually replaced by the more advanced Mitsubishi F-2, which was jointly developed with the United States.